Meet Parker, the $100,000 robot patrolling Silver Spring parking garage. Meet Parker, a 5-foot-tall, 420-pound security robot now patrolling the town square parking garage in Silver Spring. Built by Knightscope, Parker equipped with 360-degree cameras, license plate readers, strobe lights and infrared sensors. The mission? Deter crime, record suspicious activities and send footage straight to the police, helping to fill the gap left by nearly 190 vacant officers' positions in Montgomery County. It's not replacing human officers, think of it more as an extra set of eyes on wheels. Parker can patrol on its own, record video for up to 30 days and even connect people directly to the police dispatch with an emergency button. Officials say it's part of a broader push to boost safety in garages, especially after an unsolved 2022 homicide and a rise in auto thefts. Right now, Parker's still in the test phase, navigating ramps, interacting with people and getting ready for formal launch. Some residents welcome the idea, others are cautious about extra surveillance. So if you're parking downtown and a robot rolls by, no need to worry, it's just Parker making sure your car's as safe as you left it. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.